Ever wondered what's lurking on your credit report? Let's dive into how you can get it instantly from the Experian app. First things first, you'll need to grab the Experian app, head over to your phone's app store. That's the Apple App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Type in Experian. Into the search bar, you'll see the official Experian app. It usually has a clear, recognizable logo. Just tap Install or Get to download it onto your phone. Once it's installed, open it up. The next crucial step is creating your account. If you're new to Experian, tap on the option to sign up or create account. You'll be guided through a simple process of providing some basic information to verify your identity. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and potentially the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure to create a strong, unique password for security. After your account is all set, you'll land on the app's dashboard. Look for a prominent section or button labeled Credit Report or View My Credit Report. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it. The app will then securely retrieve and display your free Experian credit report. You'll be able to see your credit score, a summary of your accounts, payment history, and any inquiries that have been made. This is your chance to review everything in detail. Take your time to understand each section. Experian's app is designed to make this information accessible and easy to navigate, putting your credit health right in your pocket. Beyond just viewing your report, the Experian app offers valuable monitoring capabilities, often sending you alerts for significant changes. It's a fantastic tool for staying on top of your financial well-being and making informed decisions. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to access your Experian credit report right from your mobile device. Stay informed, stay in control.